Do you know the difference between had walked and had been walking? Don't worry if you don't. Most English learners get this wrong. It's two types of past tenses, past perfect.
Okay, so introduction to
So let's
past
explore
perfect.
both
So
of
this
them
is part
together.
2 of past tenses. I made a part 1 before this video, so please go and have a look there. It'll help you so much. Just go onto my channel and press the past tense part 1. So it involved simple, past simple and past simple continuous, and this one involves past perfect and past perfect continuous. So let's see what past perfect is, the first one. So this shows that an action happened before another past action. Okay? Past perfect shows that an action happened before another past action. So let's change the color. So form, you can write it as, you'll always have to most of the time write it as had plus past participle. So always add that word, had, okay? Because if you don't, then it'll be different, okay? The sentence will be different. Okay, so let's look at the example. So whenever we talk about past perfect words or sentences, we always have to add the had. So walk turns into had walked, eat turns into had eaten, and play turns into had played. Okay? Yes. So we can actually make a sentence out of these words, you know? Let's give it a shot. So if you combine all these words, let's change the color. So we have walk, eat, played. So walked, eaten, played. So we can replace the word and say, instead of play or walk, I can say, let's talk about eaten, okay? I had eaten breakfast before I went to school. Okay, I had eaten breakfast before I went to school. There you go, there's your sentence. Okay, so past perfect. The first type of past perfect you can get is a negative one. So negative sentences. So negatives, you will see the sentence using had not slash hadn't. Okay, if you see these, it's a past perfect sentence, okay? A negative past perfect sentence because it's in the past, hadn't or had not, and it's something that hasn't happened in the past, so it didn't happen. So an example I'll go through is I had not eaten breakfast before school, okay? Keyword had not, okay? I had not eaten breakfast before school, okay? That's the first example. And second one, let's think. Okay. She hadn't finished, remember it's in the past, finished homework, okay, before dinner. So keyword, she hadn't finished homework before dinner. There you go. You have both of your past perfect negative sentences. Okay. The second type of past perfect sentence can be a question type, okay? So it's quite simple. It's what you see. Question means when you ask questions, right? So basically you're asking questions in the sentence. So always end with a question mark. So to ask questions and start with the word had, okay? Always remember had. So an example is, had you eaten breakfast, okay, before school? Oh, I'm getting hungry now. We're talking a lot about breakfast and food. Okay. Anyway, so another example is, had she finished her homework before dinner. Okay? Okay. So now we're in the second part 2 of past tenses. So this is past perfect continuous. Okay? So we were just talking about past perfect. Now this is past perfect continuous. So past perfect continuous shows an action that was ongoing before keyword another past action. Okay, so it shows an action that was ongoing. That's also keyword, ongoing, before another past action. Okay, so we'll write in the form as, remember this is key, had been plus verb which ends with a ing. Had been plus verb ending with a ing. Remember this, okay? Okay, let's go through a few examples. 2 examples should be enough for this. Okay, so I had been walking. So this has had been, includes had been, and it also includes verb ending with ing. So it makes past perfect continuous. Same with second one. She had been studying. Had been, and the verb ends with the ing. So these two are an example of past perfect continuous. So an example sentence, let's make one. So I had been walking for 30 minutes before it started raining. So I had been plus verb ending with ing, so raining. Okay, so past perfect is a completed action. Example is I had eaten. Past perfect continuous is an ongoing action. An example is I had been eating. So they both have completely different meanings. You can always come back to my video and look at this, or take a note somewhere, anywhere, and you'll never forget the difference. You can make up any sentences using past perfect and past perfect continuous. Okay? Okay, let's do a mini practice. Your turn now. It's okay. I'll go along with you. We can all work together, okay? Or you can do it in your own pace. Up to you, okay? But you can always come back to my video and see how I explained it. Okay, so here we go. So we have 2 sentences and they're both wrong because the words in brackets, that's not right. Okay, so study is not right, walk is not right. So let's replace it with the correct answer. So it will be instead, I had been studying for 2 hours before the exam, because this is in past tense and we have to use the had been and studying ending with verb ing. So we know that this is past perfect continuous because this is an ongoing action. And the next one is she had been walking for 30 minutes before it rained. Okay, it's quite simple, don't worry, you'll get it. Okay, common mistakes. Don't confuse the past perfect with simple past, okay? So it wouldn't be I had breakfast. Correct would be I had eaten breakfast. So the eaten is the difference in it, okay? You can always replay my videos and go through it again. It takes time, but once you get it, you'll never forget it for life, okay?